Buddy, I am making a video to support everybody in Oklahoma that are dealing with the really bad tornado outbreak. Like, very bad tornado, looks like an F4 or F5 hit in Moore City, well, in Moore, Oklahoma, and the threat is continuous right now. A lot of destruction right now. That I'm right now watching the Weather Channel and seeing everything that's going on, and all I can say is I'm heartbroken, and I discussed it with Mother Nature because my aunt, she's in my aunt and cousins, they're in Bartlesville, Oklahoma, and I haven't had no word that they're okay or not, but it's pretty bad right now. The I was watching on TV yesterday and today the live broadcast of when the tornado went down forms. And all I can say is complete hell. I'm like, the only words I can describe what I'm feeling right now, like I said, hurt, disgusted, and really, really feeling sorry for those people. 'Cause they lost everything in their house. They lost their homes, their cars, possibly their lives, and all the things they got. I feel bad for them. It's like this huge tornado outbreak was awful. This is day 3 of the tornado outbreak, and all I can say is I feel awfully bad for them. And so far, 2 deaths from yesterday. There's like 74, 73-year-old that passed away from the tornado. But as of right now, there's still tornado outbreaks going on right now. If y'all want to see what's going on, just go to watch the Weather Channel. That way y'all can see what is going on with the weather. If y'all can, please pray for my family as we're dealing with this situation with the tornado outbreak in Oklahoma. I will keep y'all updated on what's going on. As y'all can hear my voice, I'm complete shocked, ashamed, and heartbroken. It's like Mother Nature has it's really bad on everybody. Anyways, if there's any bad weather going on, I will update y'all on Facebook, my Twitter account, and if y'all want to try to add me on there. That way y'all can still contact me. Again, please pray for everybody in Oklahoma, including my aunt and cousins. I love you all. God bless.